guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Franny Kane. Thank you so much for subscribing to everybody that has already subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any information about real estate, mortgage, credit, life insurance, or health insurance. I am your financial services provider here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So I am going to provide you guys with a lot of gems. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get first dibs at when I drop. I just wanted to give you guys a quick bio about myself so you kind of know who you're getting all this financial information from, so you know that I am a reliable source. I wanted to start out by saying that I was born here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I was born to my beautiful mother, Shirley, and my handsome dad, Frank. Another cool thing about me is that I am a twin. No, it's not a girl. I have a twin brother. His name is Frankie. So maybe I'll get a little bit of a tidbit of us when we celebrate or whatnot, because obviously we celebrate the same birthday. To go into it, we were born September 12th, so my birthday's coming up. Well, our birthday, because I can't say my birthday. So Team Virgo, for all of you Virgos out there. I also have 5 other sisters and another older brother. They're all scattered around. All of them don't live here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I grew up primarily in this small village called Brown Deer. It's like a little suburb, like on the outer skirts of Milwaukee. So I kind of grew up there. Well, I definitely grew up in Brown Deer. As I grew up and grew older, I met my husband. I was very young, maybe 16, 17 years old when we met. We were high school sweethearts. We then have 4 boys, so that's another cool thing about me, is that I am a boy mom. So maybe you guys can get some information, maybe you guys can see us on like vacations, or maybe I can get little snippets of them, because it's pretty funny being a boy mom and I'm like the only girl in this house. So maybe we can get some fun things about that on my personal life in between me dropping you guys some financial gems. After I got done with schooling and stuff like that, I then started in the mortgage industry. It was kind of crazy because we had like our first son or whatnot. I kind of really didn't know what I wanted to do. But then one of my friends were like, Franny, I have this really good opportunity for you. This is, you just make calls and I think that you would like it. So I gave it a try. I had no clue what it was really about. Come to find out, it was about mortgages. So I started out in the mortgage industry, telemarketing, calling 4 hours a day, nonstop, just calling people from the white pages, not yellow pages, but calling people from the white pages, calling all of these leads. And our goal was to actually get people to come in and refinance. Back in 1999, this is a fun fact for you guys, one of the first facts that you'll kind of hear from me. The interest rates were about a 7.5% to an 8% interest rate. So kind of where the interest rates are actually lower right now than they were then. And everybody was refinancing like crazy. Everybody was consolidating things. I'll go into like different ways that you guys can use your equity along the way. So I did that for a while. I moved myself up and I managed about like 100 people. I would train them and just let them know cool tips on how to be a telemarketer, a better telemarketer, and get more clients to come in. Back then, we were averaging about 80 to 100 appointments a night to refinance, okay? So you can imagine how crazy that was. So when they say that the industry is dying right now, don't believe it, okay? Mortgages are thriving, real estate's thriving. It's just going through its natural, ups and downs, peaks and valleys that we normally go into. History always repeats itself, so you guys don't be scared of it. After I did like all of that, I started processing. I was even a loan officer. I did underwriting, meaning that I just kind of looked over documents and approved or denied loans and things like that. I then started like not kind of getting bored, but I kind of wanted to be more in front of clientele because I really love working with clients and I am just a social butterfly. You can ask anybody that knows me. I used to always get written up in school and get in trouble because I talk to everybody in school. But I think everybody has a gift, and that's my gift, is that I'm kind of a social butterfly and I like everybody. I don't care who you are. So after I, started figuring out, like, listen, I want to be in front of people and I want to be more involved in the in the mortgage process, I thought about real estate. I'm like, oh shoot, let me get my real estate license, because then I can actually see the joy in their eye when somebody does find a home and just be with them from beginning to end. I still do the mortgage stuff. I still do the mortgages, so I can help you get approved for a loan. My husband is actually a loan officer, so I'm like his loan partner and processor, and I still use my underwriting, my underwriting skills and all of that. So it's just not like I'm this realtor that is just dumb to the fact of like how the mortgages work. And I think that that's what everybody loves about me, because I can answer a lot of questions that most real estate agents can't answer. Along the way, I found that there was another need in the insurance realm. I was looking into it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I had, a couple of my clients not being able to pay their mortgage. Some of them got sick and things like that, or they lost their job, or things were happening. I even had a few that the major breadwinner actually passed away, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what can I do? There's got to be something that we can do to secure this. So I got my life insurance license. Through that, I started like helping people and protecting their mortgages. So if like a loved one passed away or anything else like that, if the primary breadwinner passed away, the mortgage was actually paid off. If they got sick or anything else like that, there's so many cool things in life insurance that will be beneficial to you guys. And let me tell you something about it. You don't have to die to actually use your life insurance, and I'll tell you guys like more products about that. I also, along the way, because I love learning, I love reading, I think that no matter how old I get, I will continue to learn and learn and learn. I got my health insurance license because I saw a need for us entrepreneurs that we didn't have, health insurance, and the state's not going to give it to you. If you're making a certain amount, the state's not going to actually just give you health insurance. So I started helping out my fellow entrepreneurs, and I help them get insurance, which it can be at a reasonable price, and then you don't have to like pay all that. I'll touch on facts like with that, and I'll give you guys some gems about that, about health insurance. So I've been doing this for quite a while. I wanted to reach a wider, array of people out here to just educate you guys and just let you guys know, like cool places to move at in Milwaukee. I also, during that, and I'm doubling back. I know I'm doubling back. To not lie, I'm pretty nervous because I'm just, talking in front of a camera, and it's super weird, you guys. I'm just not gonna lie, it's super weird. But I also do credit restoration, and I started doing that. So I want to give you guys some gems about that, about working on your credit. I love helping people from all the way, from a 400 credit score, and then I can even, I can get you up to where you need to be at, to get a home loan. And that is my absolute passion. I have been doing this, so I'm just kind of helping people on all of their financial needs about real estate, mortgage, life insurance, health insurance, credit restoration. And I just want to give you guys some fun tips, some fun facts. I want to show you guys around our city, and I just want to help out to educate, everyone here in Wisconsin and wherever else this reaches to. My life insurance, I do my life insurance across all 50 states. So if anybody's out here looking about the life insurance, hit me up. I can definitely guide you in the right direction to give you a product that works for you. Thanks so much, guys, for listening to me ramble and just tell you a little bit about my background. And I hope that I can help you along the way. Like I said again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions about any of the things that I talked to you guys about today, and hit the notification bell because I'll be dropping some gems. I'll be dropping some more information for you guys over the week. I'll talk to you guys soon.